nothing like living a simple life. Something out those aches and pains from working on the farm.
Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Today I just was working on cars that I had to stop because I got a notification that this had arrived. This is something that we've been waiting for here on the farm for a while. If you can see off to my side here, this is a Kubota VX25D. It is the workhorse here on the farm, and I love it. I've got the loader, I've got a mid-mount mower, I've got a sleeve hitch attachment in the back, and a 3-point hitch in the back, and a backhoe in the back. So it's a pretty well-rounded tractor. But what it didn't have, and what it does have now, is this. These are a set of bolt-on pallet forks. They come from the folks over there at Bavor, and I appreciate them sending them my way. I have been anxiously awaiting these because there are a lot of times that we get stuff that just doesn't fit a bucket, and we'd love to be able to have these. So this is really good. It's a universal fit, so it'll fit quite a John Deere product, you name it, it's going to fit as long as you have a bucket. You can change the width to fit for different size pallets. This is not going to increase the load capacity of your tractor, so don't go thinking you're going to lift a pallet of paver stones or something like that. But it's really nice when, say, a pallet of potting soil or mulch or feed or something along those lines, which is within the capacity of this. Maybe not a full pallet of feed, but you know what I'm talking about. So what you get is this. It's not a lot to these, but you have your 2 pallet forks. This is our adjuster, and you don't even need a tool to use this. Just kind of slide this thing down, and you're going to slide this over right here, and then tighten it back down. Nice. Cool. All right, let me do the other one. There are some instructions here, but I doubt you'll need them. I guess we'll see what they say. You must insert bucket forks at the top. The L-shaped screw should be tightened. The 2 tines should be stressed horizontally at the same time. In other words, don't put too much weight on that one. Make sure that the load is level. Not a lot to it. They're very nicely made too. They're powder coated. The welds look to be really nice, actually. I gotta say, I'm impressed with the weld quality on these. And I am definitely excited to hook these up and take it for a spin. Of course, at the time these things finally arrive, I don't actually have any pallets to lift. But there are a lot of other things you can do with pallet forks. You could lift a riding mower up off the ground if you needed to. You could lift a trailer up off the ground if you needed to. So there's a lot of other things that you can use this for that don't require needing to use a pallet. That's it. Cool, let me get the box out of the way and we'll get this thing. I'll lift and lower it just to show you what it's capable of. Let's do it. Pretty cool, huh? Let's wrap this thing up.